Please open AnyEnhancer and click the Add button or drag to upload the original video. Then please choose an AI model based on your video type to achieve enhancement effect. AnyEnhancer offers 7 types of AI models: Intelligent Enhancement, Resolution Enhancement, Face Restoration, Colorize Model, Color Enhancement, Denoise Model, and Frame Interpolation. Let's take using Resolution Enhancement to enhance video as an example. Please select Resolution Enhancement and choose a model setting based on your needs. After that, please click the Preview button to process the video. And you will see a comparison between the original video and the processed video interface. If you are satisfied with the enhancement effect, you can click the Export button to save the enhanced video. After completing the relevant settings, please click the Export button again to export the video. The processing time of the video is determined by the size of the video. Please wait patiently. Then, the enhanced video will be exported successfully.